Busuya upimo digital highway ni so information they drop information air drop or highway ni so na ebe kai say Ohima Mercy gospel artist kodi nkomo bi o TV3 say bia unya bi hwe the video ni ebetum na brother Samen so aba oni Kofi TV yes Kofi TV so akotwetwe nkomo a why expose Ohima Mercy wache the lady onto Ohima Mercy na wa rejay name enye awrade bia na ye eka kire ne say oni meku enyai yes now in this video no yebemu ahwe de ekoso amwo hu de ekoso ha messel se ha Kwesi Vibes TV se ne day first time hu jumede ya oba so ano ahete subscribe button no so Facebook a no follow page na Facebook or like video no share wadwen comment section na first yenkotie enkomodi e course between Ohima Mercy.
When God took you through the transition of your marriage to the point where it broke, everyone was talking.
Yes.
Everybody was talking. Yeah. Look, at the time I lived in a particular place in Sakumono.
I know.
So I knew the beautiful house that you had built.
Yes.
In fact, in that area, your house was actually the name of that area.
Of course.
Because the house
Ohima
was
Mercy Street.
Exactly, Ohima Mercy Street.
It's still the Ohima Mercy Street.
Beautiful greenhouse.
Yes.
Exquisite. When God took you through that transition, how did you feel?
I remember when I was going through that, I said to myself, devil, I've given you a rope. Make sure you're able to pull it well, because I'm pulling it with you in heaven. If I'm able to pull this rope to my side and I win this battle, you are in trouble. And I want to say this to every woman. When you are going through divorce, one thing that I've learned is that you don't depend on any man. Because tomorrow, there are some things you will regret. For me, my dependency was on the Lord. I didn't want to talk to anyone. I didn't want anyone to hear of whatever I was going through during the COVID season. And that was where I had that serious covenant with the Lord and an encounter with the Lord, speaking to him solely, going to the mountains to be there for 3 months. And I really want to hear what the Lord wants to tell me about what is going on around me. So when I heard it clearly, I took that bold step. And for me, I give God the glory because I'm divorced, yes. But this is the time I've seen the hand of God so strong on my life.
Even more than when you were married?
Even more than. So I was actually depending on man.
So you had the confirmation from God,
of course,
that this is it and it's over.
And when I spoke to my partner too, he also understood that we have to do this. And then pray and see what the Lord will do.
So you initiated the conversation of the divorce?
Of course.
What were your first few words? What did you say?
I really want us to have a break.
Okay.
And then I need to run with the ministry. And I know that is your passion for me.
Okay.
Let me run with it. Let's take care of the kids and help each other. If I'm going through something, we talk about it. Let's take care of the kids. And then I don't want to fail God, because it's like I'm
failing God by staying in the marriage.
So I actually have to sit down with him, and then we had a cordial conversation. And for him, he's very, very mature.
So it's been very cordial.
Very, very up to now.
You guys speak every day.
We speak every day.
You're co-parenting.
Very, very.
Like you said in the beginning, there's so much that we need to talk about. I don't even know which ones.
But I want to advise everyone. If you're a woman and you are going through divorce, your partner is not your enemy. Oh yes. Because of the kids, you have a covenant. So I actually have to allow God to lead me through this, so that it will be another phase for every woman to emulate. That if you are going through battles in your marriage and it comes to the point of you going through a divorce, understand that you can never be enemies. You have to help each other because of the kids.
It's not even profitable.
It's not. It's not.
Same, you know, brother Samen so gospel artist ya okana adwie na ono so kopie mu Kofi TV na saa nkomode yi ekopie mu efa Ohima Mercy nkomo okodi no TV3 no ana brother Same HM se dabi Ohima Mercy kasa asem no truthful because Nyankopon bie no obeka saa asem na chonimum the secret ne se Ohima Mercy hwa sisi wade no ho a sisi wonya ba bi di tito wonya ba bi sika e won ho a enyema bi ekoyi ma ne nti no pese otwe ho efiri na warem se be ye obenya freedom na aware osusu se aware cake mu ne mu enkotie ensem a brother Same edutudwa na wo so akye wadwen efa Ohima Mercy nsem no ene brother Same nsem na odutudwa no ho na wakye wadwen e comment section e ma refi aya na wa subscribe na afi wa like video no share na afoforo so ehu de ekoso so pimo Facebook se bi ka kan no Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and I was a Chris Vibes TV. Now then, some who do a cheguno as weekdays in the weekend. All the entertainment news, no training news, viral videos are done. Aha, and I'm the hooku. Information we are seeing CMCC highway the sons and sending in there. Aha, and I'm the son. Let's also best time to cool. No subscribe, so unsubscribe ya. But that one already can subscribe that I know. I see yes, young share video ninety able to Same any Kofi TV interview. No, the credit in the TV3 any Kofi TV. Peace. Bye bye.
She doesn't want to fail God.
Aye.
Na omunya no omuhwe nkwala no. Oboa wanya baawie. Wanya maawie. Wanya baabi adiniti ato. Na ya na ma no said omunya baabi sia they always want to control the men. They okase nyame na ekan me se Ohima Mercy boa.
Ti
Odawana meba so she heard the voice meba Ohima Mercy afede matewasi jayaware oh adena bibia modi ko hye Nyankopon fa wale hu wona abekwa akotini no akofa wo ba na obema aba na ade ne twam akọ maame no papa ho no my engagement na abusuafo gi ti mo twam di akomsofo ho akoye wedding obi a obi okofa ni kuna na yiri fi bi kohia nde o club ase ayi ase party o na abekwa akochi na kofa ene Nyankopon na abekwa akohwa abekwa frama enti wo ko wale no wo di se nyame sa no se ye ana duru baabi no nyame na ase afede ye jai oh blagovi nyame nka ahwe ntiro Ohima Mercy wanyeska be mana boawa masabi wanya baabi esi modinya sabli no senka wo kire do kire be ma no amatini ma ma wle ho me meka kire wo yemi cool gospel artist but meka no kola kire no me no kulu nto bi ase menye you heard it clearly seja ya wale ne mo na mkuka se mo be ye ho number akun oba be jana jana ne na ho abe ye ho number akun mo so na nkrofo se mo na mo firi nyame enti wo kura na wo se nka o maintain awale yi na entirima no omu muhwe wo so to nyom na di akiri na aka say you heard it clearly nyango meba Ohima Mercy afede jaya wale oh wanya o mawie ise o yale da ho mu ni problem nyame na be ma so am wanya mawie sika ba onsem tahila yo ne ne saase atimo wie to be ma chef bi adinti nyame si ja no blagovi
that is not fair. Unye nyame.
Blagovi.
Ono na eka de ni reason.
Blagovi oboa. She heard it clearly. Say nyame si wonya ya wade. Oh Blagovi. Ana bibia na edi akọhye papa yi. On se me di kanka say aware eye cage. Se no onye skanti opese wode ne ho. Na otimi ginani. Ana wotimi ye to si ye nyai mi wura so ka che ni wura ni wura te ase o si mi wura ye nyai bet ye hwen kola no aw awre ho Blagovi na me ka so be ka se mi wura ye nyai na mia me hwen kola no wabu be ma na bla ni sun afia motimi ye tahila ma dom wlezi fana kase a mo betimi di ahwen kola no uyi be ma na firim ne di entina na wale eguye ba ko si ma wihwem
Debi ni fiasem
but enfa ngo hye nyame
enti no so no se ye nyame a ni fiase
nyame
onye nyame na waka say enye nyame
menye nyame bet mi sum nyame nyame kasa
reason a wo man nyina na wadwin mu sa na ebia wo
Black Coffee nyame kasa ye nyina ye ti nyame ne
o kasa kire obi a o
ti nyame ne Black Coffee ade efiri nyame bia ohu a ohu you heard it clearly you bo ho pa ye 3 months and I heard it clearly tu said that bo wa wale ho pa ye 3 months wa wale ja ye ho pa ye 3 months how me la ho oba wale ja ye ho pa ye 3 months and I feel you heard it clearly oh Black Coffee awe ho me mani kunu ne yakọ onka na komanto ne yam life is war oba ye na be man ko akodi bia me hu na mane ba be ma ye dia e de ne kọ monyi na japade ma no Black Coffee emfa no kolantu de o mate osi nyame a yate but nyame be hye ne kunu ne ni monyam die pone pa na okunu na ye wa wontimi mfa
do you know something we don't know because or no say
Black Coffee this me no mo dem started Tahira first video ho King Bema no be farm airport me how Bema no receive me that on dem koda so that time ko mo antimi anyi hotel amame o mo dem koda so fo panyini ba akufie
okay
me hu say afi no ma start dwumadie no me nia colleague they don't have money I have to help them me kura ne kura omo yi kura na wo yi me firim we started the Tahira me bu abufrani kunu ne busa no o me fa airport o mantimi anfoma anko hotel because na sikani ho to me koda so for panyini bi fie ti ho ana ni kunu ni de aduane ableme I know what I'm saying ni kunu de aduane apsa no you okay so ha ho akonta ena agina tu si nyame se nipa na waboa waso mumu hia mo no ena wa feska wanya ba bi di utiato till you heard it clearly I mean shano but me de so oboa onte voice bia obeso ode ne ho na otime gi na ni kakra wa bere wi ase that's
okay